Hello everyone, this is our fifth day of our DevOps journey. Today we are going to discuss all the steps an application goes through in its DevOps lifecycle. The first step is planning. In this step, the developer teams sits together and plans whatever the new feature they are going to add or the bug fixes they are going to do. So, as a DevOps engineer, you can guide them so that the application or the end result what comes doesn't collide with the DevOps infrastructure. The next step is coding. In this step, whatever the planning is done is implemented here. The bug fixes or new feature is coded here by the developers. Then comes our third step, that is build. This is our first automation step. Here the code is compiled and built so that it can be tested. The next step is testing. After the build is done, it is sent for testing to find out if there are any issues or bugs so that it can be solved before it is released to the production. When the application passes the test, it is sent to the next step, that is release. Here the code is marched to the central repository which is accessible by the production servers. Then comes our next step, that is deploy. In this step, we deploy the production ready environment to the servers. After the deployment of the application, the next step is operate. In this step, auto scaling is done so that if the traffic is high in the server, then the number of server increases, and if the traffic is low, the number of server decreases. The next step is monitor. In this step, we get the data regarding the utilization of the CPU or the disk usage or the API endpoints and how responsible are the API endpoints. One of the important things we get in monitoring is logs. It is very important for the developers to look at the logs so that they can understand the behavior of the application, and this process like that continues all the time. I have shared all the resources in the description. Go check them out, and that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.